If you're watching this, then you're probably here because you've watched a bunch of videos, downloaded a few free guides, and now you're just stuck. One guru says affiliate marketing is the answer, the other says coaching is the only way to really scale and make money online. The truth is, both work, but not for everyone. So in this video, I'm going to break it down. I'm not biased because both are good models, and personally I do both of them and they both work very well for me. This is all about what actually works based on your skills, your time, and your income goals. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how each model works, what they take to succeed, and how to start generating real income without burning yourself out or wasting months chasing the wrong path. And real quick, if you want to start or scale your online business this year, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be dropping new strategies every week. And stay until the end, I'll also give you a free bonus resource to help you move faster. Alright, so let's break down the actual differences between affiliate marketing and high ticket coaching, because they couldn't be more opposite in how they work. Affiliate marketing is simple on paper. You promote someone else's product, you earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. No product creation, no customer service, no fulfillment headaches. You don't need a website to start, you don't need to be an expert, and if you do it right, you can make sales while you sleep. It's a low barrier, scalable model, but it takes time to build up momentum. You're trading effort up front for passive income later. Now, high ticket coaching is the opposite. You're the product, you're selling access to your expertise, your guidance, your perspective. Whether it's fitness, freelancing, marketing, mindset, or whatever your skill is, if you can help someone get a result, then you can package that into a coaching offer and charge anywhere from 1k to 10k or more. It's active income. You're working directly with clients, hosting calls, building relationships, but you can also land a few clients and be earning some serious money within your first 30 days. You don't need to be some top-level guru with $1 million brand to coach people, but what you do need is the ability to solve a real problem and the experience or knowledge to guide someone to a specific outcome. If you can help people get from where they are to where they want to be, you're qualified to coach. It's about being useful, valuable, and outcome-focused. Also, try to treat it as an opportunity to learn. Yes, you're helping clients, but every client is different, so you need to learn and adapt your approach for each one. In fact, this is one of the things I love about coaching. Having so many different clients has forced me to learn about so many different industries and allowed me to find opportunities that I previously wouldn't have come across. Now, affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is much slower to get started, but it scales passively. High-ticket coaching can get you money fast, but it takes up a lot more of your time. So whether you're drawn to affiliate marketing or you're leaning towards high-ticket offers, I've built systems for both. If you're serious about building an income online this year, then check out the free guide below. And if you're ready to move faster, there's also an opportunity to apply for my one-to-one mentoring. There's a link for that in the description. So which one actually makes more money? Let's talk numbers. Say you're promoting an affiliate offer that pays $100 in commissions per sale. That means to make $5,000, you need 50 sales. Now compare that to high ticket coaching. Let's say your offer is $2,000, and that's a completely normal starting point for most niches. You only need 2 or 3 clients to make that same $5,000. So technically, high ticket coaching wins when it comes to raw income potential, in the short term at least. One good weekend of outreach or content, and you've got a 2k client locked in. But that's only part of the picture. Because while affiliate marketing takes longer to build, once it's rolling, it can run on autopilot. You build a funnel, you create content once, and that machine can generate income for months with very little maintenance. It's front-loaded effort with long-term potential for payoff. High-ticket coaching, on the other hand, is very manual. Calls, onboarding, delivery. You're always trading time for money. even at a premium price. And if you stop selling or stop delivering, then the income stops. But here's the real play. If you want to go big this year, you need to combine the two. That's what I do. Use affiliate marketing to build your brand, provide value, and build trust with your audience. Then layer in high-ticket coaching to monetize deeper with people who want more personal support. Because when someone joins your email list or watches your YouTube content and they're like, this person really gets me, well, then they're far more likely to buy both your recommended tools and your higher priced offer. I've had a lot of clients who have started with one of my free guides, then moved on to a course, then bought a mentoring package. So if you want both income and impact, use affiliate marketing as the entry point and coaching as the high leverage offer for those who want faster results. Remember, we live in a world where everyone wants things immediately. So if someone can speed up the result by paying more, then they're usually happy to do so. So if I was starting from scratch this year, no list, no clients, just a laptop and a plan, here's exactly what I would do. Short term, I'd start with affiliate marketing. Why? Because it's low barrier, low risk, and you can start earning fast without building a product or hopping on calls all the time. Your focus is purely on learning how to generate traffic, how to build trust, and how to get people to click and buy. The best part of it is you're learning sales psychology, messaging and content creation, all skills that directly transfer into high-ticket coaching later on. So step 1, you need to pick a niche with real demand. Step 2, you need to promote one high-quality product with a simple funnel. Step 3, you need to post valuable content and build your email list up. Remember, it's a real business, so treat it like one. Don't be spamming links. You don't need luck. This is skill stacking. Then, once I've built up some momentum, I'd start to layer in the coaching. You don't need to be an expert coach, but you do need to offer real value. If you've built something that works, whether it's affiliate marketing, content, or really any kind of online offer, then you already have a lot of the insights that most people are missing. Coaching isn't about perfection. It's about helping someone get from stuck to results. And the truth is, some people in your audience don't want the DIY approach. They want direct help. And that's where coaching becomes the next logical step. So it's not a hard sell. Now, this is what I call the hybrid path. It's not either or, it's stacking both. Use affiliate marketing for leverage, passive income, then use coaching for deeper results and faster income. And by the way, if you're serious about turning content into clients and commissions, this is the full same structure that I teach inside my affiliate marketing masterclass. And it's also the foundation of my private coaching program. If you want to go faster, both are linked below. All right, quick recap. If you want to make money online with minimal risk and no product, then affiliate marketing is your move. If you've got expertise or results, even just a few, then you can start coaching and earning high ticket fast. And if you want both freedom and cash flow, then you need to stack them both. Use affiliate marketing to grow your email list, then use coaching to monetize your expertise. And together, you've got a scalable business. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below which path are you choosing. Type affiliate if you're going all in on affiliate marketing, or type coaching if you're ready to go high ticket, or type hybrid if you're going to stack both. And if you're ready to build this for real, no guesswork, then I've got two options for you. You can either grab my full affiliate marketing masterclass course. It walks you through step by step building your funnel, generating traffic and making sales. If you use the code MINDSET, all capital letters, you'll get a big discount. Or if you want personalized help building your high ticket offer and closing clients, then apply for my one-to-one coaching. Use the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new strategy. You're not just learning, you're building and scaling. I'll see you in the next video.